In this video, I will guide you how you can cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. So first of all, start by opening up your Phantom Wallet and log into your account. Then you just need to click on the send button and then select your Solana. After selecting your Solana, you just need to enter the name or address of your particular exchange. So in this case, the exchange that I am using is Binance. You can use any other popular exchange if you want to do this. Otherwise, click on this deposit and then you just need to search for Solana in your particular exchange. Then you just need to choose your network and then you just need to copy your deposit address and paste it in the send button. After that, you just need to click on the next button and then enter the amount. Make sure to select the same network, and after that you will receive the Solana into your exchange on the given time of your network. So that's the way of how you can cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet.